Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther and I'm a Pilates instructor, and today I'm here to talk about how to activate your core muscles. So I want you to think about having a cylinder here inside your body, and the base of the cylinder is your pelvic floor, which is made of muscles, ligaments and tendons, everything that supports your organs. And the top of the cylinder is your diaphragm. And here in the middle we have our transversus abdominis, our internal and external obliques, muscles that support our back like the erector, spinae and the multifidus, and also our rectus abdominis, which is our six-pack. And all of these muscles conform what is our core. And we need a strong core to be able to hold our inner organs, to have better balance, to prevent injuries, to support our back so we can prevent lower back or even hip pain. And today we're going to learn how to activate those muscles in a very simple way. Okay, so I'm going to get you to lay on your back with the feet hip width apart and the heels aligned with your sit bones. Keep your chin tucked and your upper body relaxed. Here we're looking for a neutral spine. So we rock the pelvis back and forth just a little until we find that gentle gap between the lower back and the mat or the floor. So when I place here the heels of the hands on the hip bones and the fingertips on your pubic bone. So we have a triangle shape, and this triangle shape we want to keep it parallel to the mat. Once we have this set up, we're gonna find our hip bones and go just a little bit inside of them. Relax your body, and we're going to start to lift the pelvic floor up to the belly button like when we're stopped from going to the toilet. So we lift the pelvic floor up and relax. And again up, like stopping from going to the toilet, and relax. And up again and relax. And then we want to imagine that we want to draw each hip bone across towards the center here of your belly. And I like to think about it's like putting some gyms on. You lift the pelvic floor like zipping up, and then you do the bottom here in the center. So you place the fingers inside the hip bones again, and we draw hip bone to hip bone across towards the center of your belly, making it flat. And you're gonna feel some little muscles popping in there. That's your core getting active. And we use our core in every single Pilates exercise or whatever kind of workout you want to do. So we're gonna take a big breath in. Expand your belly, breathe out, close the ribcage down, lift that pelvic floor, draw hip bone to hip bone, feel your belly flat and strong. The triangle here is very stable, and then relax it. So when you're gonna do an abdominal curl here, think about activating your T-zone. That's the name of this part. Your T-zone active, pelvic floor up, hip bone to hip bone, and then we breathe out, curl up, ribs to hips, head down, and everything stays flat in here, and the belly is not bulging out, okay, or popping out. So that's a very simple way to activate your core, and you can do it in a seated position, you can do it standing, you can do it before any kind of exercise, or even when you're gonna lift heavy things. Think about putting those jeans on so your core is nice and stable. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe, leave a comment, give me a like, and I'll see you in the next one.